Righto, hello you mob. Just doing a video about these two old Macintoshes I got. See here, there's this one here, which I'm trying to look for a program on it. I'm just exploring it at the moment. See what's on it. I'll show you. I'll quickly. What's that noise? Oh my gosh, it's a chicken. Hello, how you going? Good chicken. Anyway, let's have a look, eh? Ah, damn this autofocus. Alright, I shall. Oh, this is terrible. Okay, this is not helping. This is shocking. This bloody. Sorry, it's good now. Now it's all good. Oh. Anyway, this is. Oh, it's chess. Let's play chess, eh? I like the games. Here we are. Who's gonna play? Oh, I'm gonna beat them at chess, eh? Hang on. Yeah. Oh, it moved. Okay, cool. Let's move my king out. Oh, you got me in check. Hang on. I'll put my little. I'll just move him forwards a bit, eh? I'll kill him. Yeah, sick. Oh. Come on. What does it mean? Righto, that's cool. That's just chess. But doesn't look like there's anything else on the game. Let's have a look, eh? There's a calculator. Oh yeah. And there's it's not a hell of a lot in here. Sherlock, is that a game? No, it's a searching application. Righto, what does this mean? What does this all mean? No, I don't think this thing has much things on it at all. It's pretty cool though. It's got iTunes and things on it. It's all set up, so it works perfectly fine. And yeah, it's a good little computer I've got. Now over to this one here, the old Macintosh Classic. Screens here is just a little bit damaged. That's why it looks shitty. Yeah, I see. It's slightly see. I did try and attempt to fix it just by turning down the brightness, but hasn't done a lot. Let's go look for applications, eh? Oh yeah. No, I've just done something wrong. Oh, yeah. Hang on. I'll fix this up. Oh, you need. It's just this mouse here. It's just terrible. This looks like a game. It's a bonus sometimes when you get these things. They have games on them, and they're pretty sick things. It's called no, you can't see it from here. It says Sim Ant Bow. It looks like a Maxis game. Let's go play it. However, this thing does have 32 kilobytes of RAM and 40 kilobytes. No, hang on, 40 megabytes of hard drive space. So it's a pretty basic old thing. Oh, this is mental. I get to play as an ant. Oh, you. A tutorial. Oh, hang on. Just start a new game. I don't know what I'm doing, but let's just do a quick game. I'll be like a full-on. Oh yeah. What does this mean? What does this all mean? Oh, actually I'll move my head around. Oh, that's just mental. Oh, that's... I'm chuffed now. This is sick as. Oh, that's awesome. I could play as an ant. Now what do I do? What do ants do? Do they... Oh, yeah, I'm on the top now. What does this mean? Oh look, it's a witchetty grub. Bloody hell, this game's sick. I can't handle it. Righto, that's pretty awesome. So this computer's got Sim Ant, and it's got 32 kilobytes of memory or RAM. Memory is RAM, and it's got 40 megabytes of hard drive space, so it's a pretty neat little machine. Oh, it's raining now. Well, it looks like, you know, it looks like meteors hitting the ground, but I think it's raining because like you're an ant and it's still small. Oh gee, there's all these black ants everywhere. Oh no, you eat me. That's mental. Anyway. So yeah, this thing doesn't have much on it. But I think it has 340 something megabytes of RAM. So that's a weird number to have. Hey, what? What does this say? The evil lawnmower has struck you. Struck you into its giant whirling blades. Your body is reduced to a thin slime. Oh. Okay. Obviously I'm dead. Now. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching, eh? Cheers. Let's get out of this. Let me exit. You've been... I don't know what to do now. Come on. Oh, oh here we are. Let's just go. I can't even... No, it's not letting me... Okay, I'm lost. Anyway, thanks for watching.